How do I read image data from a URL in Python? What I'm trying to do is fairly simple when we're dealing with a local file, but the problem comes when I try to do this with a remote URL. Basically, I'm trying to create a PIL image object from a file pulled from a URL. Sure, I could always just fetch the URL and store it in a temp file, then open it into an image object, but that feels very inefficient. Here's what I have. It flakes out complaining that seek isn't available, so then I tried this. But that didn't work either. Is there a better way to do this, or is writing to a temporary file the accepted way of doing this sort of thing?
In Python 3 the Stringio and Stringio modules are gone. In Python 3 you should use
The following works for Python 3. References. This URL. This URL.
Using a Stringio.
Using requests.
Python 3. Jupyter Notebook and Ipython. Unlike other methods, this method also works in a for loop.
Schuberts